All right, so I got that bitch in there. But now the issue. I can't move this thing worth a shit. So I brought a cheater bar. We'll see. This went to a floor jack. Jeez. It's crazy that I'm resulting to this. This may or may not work. I hope to God it does. Pray, 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 pray. Just go nice and slow. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Oh my God. No way. Holy cow. That worked. My Lord. I probably screwed up the pan in the process. Hopefully I could get a screw to get in there. But that's how it's done. No shit. I didn't even have hopes for that at all. And it fucking worked. I just needed that deep ass hole, a cheater bar, and a few little other things to get this thing to work. I want to show you this after I get this shit out. My Lord. I can't believe that shit. I can't believe it fucking worked. Yep. So apparently that's how it's done. Hell yeah.